In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode in Manus AI. If you prefer a softer look that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, dark mode is a great choice. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can change the appearance quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and going to manus.im app. This takes you straight into the Manus AI app. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace or dashboard. Once the app loads, look toward the upper corner of the screen for your profile area. It's typically shown as your avatar or initials. Click on Profile to open your personal menu. From the Profile menu, choose Settings. This is where all of your personal preferences live, including how the interface looks and feels. Settings may open as a panel or a dedicated page depending on your screen size, but the options are the same. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Appearance. This is the area that controls the theme for the interface. Click on Appearance and then choose Dark. As soon as you select Dark, the interface will switch from light backgrounds to deeper tones. You should notice menus, panels, and text adapting immediately, giving you higher contrast in low-light environments and reducing glare. If the change doesn't seem instant, give it a second to apply or click anywhere on the page to refresh the view. Once you're happy with the look, click Close to exit the Settings panel. You're now back in the main app with dark mode active. Your choice should stay in place the next time you return to Manus AI on the same browser. If you use a different device or a private browsing session, you may need to repeat the change there as well. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see the profile option, try expanding the window or checking the top right corner for your avatar. On smaller screens, some menu items may be tucked into a compact menu. If the appearance section isn't visible at first glance, scroll through the Settings panel. It's usually near the General or Display options. And if the interface ever feels too dim or you're working in bright conditions, you can come back to the same appearance area and switch back to a lighter theme just as easily. That's it. You've switched to dark mode in Manus AI in just a few clicks. Enjoy the more comfortable viewing experience and feel free to customize it again whenever your environment changes.